Gotta make do with what you got, you know?
Oh, there it goes.
Welcome back to another episode of Modded Motors, a much anticipated episode from us this time. We really wanted to post this video. We're really excited because we are the first people ever to have this GTA spoiler in our hands and installing it before anybody even gets it shipped to their door. So that is an amazing achievement under the Modded Motors belt. But if you guys saw that first clip of July 2nd, 2020, that was our first video ever on YouTube. That was a little snippet for it. So the fact that we started off with a $90 spoiler all the way to here, putting on a $845 spoiler onto our car is absolutely, you know, mind-boggling. The most important thing of this entire video is this video was 100% paid for by you all. This was obviously through the Google AdSense and all the ads that you guys watch. When you guys stay all the way through the video, it really helps us out. That alone has paid for this product, and 100% nothing came out of our pocket. So we cannot say thank you enough to you guys and the support you guys have given us. Well, we took it to Delle Design, which is our sponsor for paint. We had to take it to Delle because obviously with fresh paint, we didn't really want to ruin anything, and we had to talk about future plan builds for stuff that we have coming up. But we obviously needed to go with him and talk that out, and might as well make sure that our paint is intact because we just got this painted. I don't know if all of them are going to be bolt-in or if you can have Jason not add that in. I'm not really sure how this is going to work. I'll let Alfissimo comment on that, and hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, make sure to either ask myself or alfissimo.com. Jason at Alfissimo, I cannot thank enough. Obviously, we really want to work with him and get this. There's a lot of different replicas of the GTA wing. This is the first like one-of-ones racing edition that is as close to the OEM piece as possible. It looks very proportioned to the body. I know there's some other ones out there that's a little bit higher. This kind of just evens out the whole car, in my opinion. But I really do, you know, obviously I support Jason. He's got us a lot of parts very fast to build this whole thing together. But not only that, him obviously supporting the channel and getting us that very quickly, and having the first ones to have it is really cool. So if anything, you don't have to buy the spoiler. He has everything that you need for Alpha related modifications or OEM pieces or even aftermarket. So please check out Alfissimo. Support somebody who supports us. We really appreciate that. Other than that, we're gonna get into the video. Whoa, Tiger.
How thick?
And it's bolted.
It's bolted?
Sure is.
Oh! Almost fell.
Here, want to take a look at it? On the camera? Carbon roof.
Dang!
So obviously bolt in. I think we need hardware. I'm assuming the intention was just to go on a QV, but we're not one. So we're gonna have to figure out how this looks out.
Oh my gosh. Wait, put it on top? Bro.
Yeah, that shit sticks out. Aggressive.
Yeah, that is a huge difference.
Yeah. Look at it. You can tell the difference between, obviously, if you come closer, tell the difference between like a cheap eBay. It's cheap now that we're not gonna have it. It's been great the whole time.
Stupid.
But you can tell that, you honestly can tell the difference between the weave patterns and here, and then like the overall finish. This just looks obviously a lot cleaner versus this weave pattern. Come over here.
Yeah.
It's dirty, so it's obviously not.
Yeah, don't. Yeah. Whatever.
Honestly, this has been great for what it is. You know, the $100 that we spent on it. But this is way cooler.
Yeah, this is way cooler.
The main difference is, again, this isn't 100% authentic. So if you have a QV, it may be, your spoiler actually still may be different than this one. But the main thing is obviously the base of this we're gonna base this off of an eBay. The base is a lot thicker than where this base sits. And then obviously they start roughly around the same. If you're comparing thickness, it starts going up, but this one is obviously a lot taller.
Yeah.
From the other ones that are out there, from the spoilers from the GTA replica, if you will, I don't think a lot of the spoilers look a little bit taller. I think this one is proportionate to obviously the overall Giulia.
spoilers off. It looks weird without it.
Sensor on the front bumper, my old front bumper.
Look at that.
It's a heater core. Then you got motor. Yeah, so we're obviously drilling the spoiler right now. Pop these clips off, a whole bunch of them. That's all that's holding in the rear liner. And we're gonna obviously pop through right there, and we'll let you guys know once we're closer.
We're gonna pop through where? There you go. Right there.
We're gonna drill our 3 holes, and then those obviously, and then we need to drill the other one 4.
There you go. That color is so cool, dude. Yeah. Check it, check it.
So update where we're at. Obviously we already pre-drilled the holes right into here where this is gonna sit at. Obviously we're still gonna hold it down by double tape because we're not gonna lose it. Then we also have some holes right here. The screws didn't come provided with the kit, but I actually had some screws laying around. I'm gonna try to figure out the actual thread pitch so I can give to you guys down in the description so you have that as well. So you have everything that you need. It's not gonna, you can probably just, if you don't even have to drill them, you can probably take these off and just double-sided tape. Preferably, I'd rather have this, and taped, just to ensure it's not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah.
But there you go.
Shimmy, shimmy.
There you go. And then we're just gonna go through the install process, but I'm gonna get some pictures of the car. How this looks on it versus how the other one looks on it.
Oh yeah.
Look at my CRX.
Yeah,
I don't
it's
think my
a huge
force
difference.
Told you.
Like, look at that lip. Look at that lip difference.
Oh, if that thing's here, then it'll be easier. That's what I'm saying. Like, I guess if anything, it might be the CRX.
It's a significant
You drive the wagon.
increase.
If we do paint anything to that one.
So
We're actually closing out the video and finishing the editing, and I don't think we explained it enough in the beginning of the video how truly thankful we are. This spoiler that we now have in our, that's going to be staying in our inside that apartment.
Modded Motors Museum.
It really does mean a lot to us. The fact that we went from just posting these videos to getting a free product, you know, delivered to us, and being able to just make this content. We really can't say thank you enough. I will cherish this one, and I will cherish the new one. If you came from this install, thanks for coming along on the ride. We got more stuff to come. But yeah, I think that's all we have, right?
That's all we have.
That's all we got.
Toodaloo.
Let us know down in the comments whether you like this or not, or if you prefer the old QV spoiler, or if you have a OEM
Or
QV
if you like
spoiler.
the eBay one.
Or if you have the the QV spoiler. Let us know what you guys think of the GTA if you're gonna go that route. I thought about going with the GTA M with that big. I just couldn't do it. So I personally wanted something a little bit more down a notch, and this is like that nice medium.
Yeah, it's like enough.
Yeah, it's enough, but not too much.
Yeah.
But
Enough where you're like, dang. You know what I mean? Not like, wow, that's a
dang.
lot. Dang, that's a lot. You know what I mean? You're just like, ooh.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys didn't, well, we don't care. So.
We do care.
We do care, sorry.
We do care. We care if you enjoy our videos. A lot of hard work goes into these videos.
For me specifically,
it's a lot of hard work goes into these videos.
When you out in the room, girl, I'm like, who that? Hair spit down the middle, girl, although he do that. Playing on the games, like, tryna do that. I bet the last nigga wonder where his boo at.